In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line in Excel. A trend line is a simple yet powerful way to show the overall direction of your data, helping you spot patterns, gauge momentum, or support quick forecasts at a glance. Whether you're tracking sales over months, website visits over days, or measurements across experiments, a trend line can make your chart easier to interpret. Before we begin, make sure you already have a chart based on your data. Trend lines work best with charts like scatter, line, and column. They aren't available for chart types like pie charts, so if you don't see the option later, that might be why. Also, verify that your chart displays the data series you want to analyze. The trend line will attach to the active series in your chart. Start by selecting your chart. When a chart is selected, Excel shows a small Chart Elements button just to the right of it. It looks like a green circle with a plus sign. If you don't see it right away, click anywhere on the chart area or on a data point to activate the chart and make that button appear. On different Excel versions, the icon placement and look are consistent enough that you'll find it in the same spot, hovering on the right side of the chart. Next, click the plus sign to open the Chart Elements menu. This menu lists items you can toggle on and off for your chart, such as axis titles, data labels, and more. In that list, click Trend Line. As soon as you do, Excel adds a default linear trend line to your chart. You'll typically see a straight line that best fits your data, running across your plotted points. If your chart has multiple data series, Excel applies the trend line to whichever series is currently active. A quick tip: if you want the line on a specific series, click one of its data points before you open the Chart Elements menu. Once the trend line is visible, take a moment to interpret it. If the line slopes upward, your values are generally increasing over time. If it slopes downward, they're trending lower. This gives you a concise summary of direction without getting lost in individual fluctuations. If the option for trend line is unavailable, confirm that your chart type supports trend lines and that the chart is properly selected. That's all there is to it. Select the chart, click the plus icon, and choose Trend Line. You've now highlighted the underlying pattern in your data with just a couple of clicks, making your chart clearer and your insights more immediate.